nothing to describe it. I've never felt this way before. Every door opened and let all the light in, and now I can see for miles and miles since I found you. Every day you're showing me how to. Yeah. We got the whole world before us. It's the moment when you know it. This is where everything begins. This is as good as it could get. You give me something that I never will forget. A feeling like this. A feeling like this. A feeling like this. Hands up to the sky, look at us now. This is what it's all about. Celebrate, celebrate. It's the best day of our life. There ain't no doubt. I just wanna shout it out. Celebrate, celebrate.
Ang una namin pumasok sa isip talaga, Brianna, na yung ipapangalan namin sa first baby namin. In case na babae, yung magiging baby.
Luis naman, yung Luis, pinangalan namin siya dun sa best friend ko na namatay last year. Lucia dapat yung papangalan namin. Kaya, kasi nag-meet kami nitong asawa ko sa Santa Lucia.
Santa Lucia.
So, balak namin sana pangalan siya.
The way we like it, something's in the air tonight. Watch me turn it up real loud. Everybody here going all out. Live it up, let it out. Hands up to the sky. Look at us now. This is what it's all about. Celebrate, celebrate. It's the best day of our life.
Sa ugali.
Sa ugali, actually, mix siya. Pati yung mukha, hindi na namin alam kung sino yung kamukha sa amin. Kiniklaim ko kamukha ko, kiniklaim niya kamukha niya. Pero may mga part kasi na nung pinagbubuntis niya si Brianna, gusto ko kuha mo yung mata, which is nakuha naman. Kumbaga lahat ng pinagdasal namin kay Lord, nabigay sa amin ni Lord nung lumabas si Brianna.
Everything is going up. Yeah, everyone's invited and it's no surprise that we'll go till the night is done. Yeah, now watch me.
Birthday anak, ang wish ko, pinaka-wish ko talaga is yun, lumaki ka na malusog, may takot sa Diyos, at lagi kang ligtas sa lahat ng oras.
Anak, balang araw mapanood mo to. Happy birthday. Pinagandaan ni Mami yung dahil ito para sa ito, anak. Hindi mo man ito maalala, pero ito, mapapanood mo balang araw na malalaman mo na kung gaano ka namin kamahal ng Mami.
Hands up to the sky. Look at us now. This is what it's all about. Celebrate, celebrate. It's the best day of our life. There ain't no doubt. I just wanna shout it out. Celebrate, celebrate. Oh yeah.
Happy birthday, Brianna! Love you,
Love
baby!
you.
Mwah.